In the previous video, we learned how to graph a quadratic function using the vertex form. Now we are going to learn how to write the equation of a graph. So first we're going to locate the vertex. So the vertex is located at, the vertex is at 0, -5. And then we're going to locate a point in here. It doesn't matter where. So I'm going to use this point right here. The coordinates are 2, -1. Now remember, the vertex form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So what we're going to do is that we're going to substitute the information in here. We're looking for the value of a. So we're going to use the values of x and y on this point. And this one represents the vertex. So this one is going to be h. And this one is going to be k. So y is -1 equals a, x is 2 minus h, which is 0, squared, minus 5, because k is -5. So that's going to give me -1 equals a, 2 minus 0, 2, 2 times 2, 4, minus 5. So then we're going to add 5 to both sides. -1 plus 5, that is 4, equals a4 or 4a. We divide by 4. So that's going to give me a equals 1. So now that I know what the value of a is, I can write the equation. It's going to be y equals a, which is 1. I don't have to write it down. X minus h, well, h is 0, squared, plus k, which is -5. So the equation is y equals x squared minus 5. Now let's try another example. The vertex here is located at 0, 4. So 0 is going to be h, 4 is going to be k. And I'm going to select any point. I guess I'll just use this one. I'm going to use 1, 2. So x is going to be 1, y is going to be 2. Again, the vertex form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So let's go ahead and plug in all this information. So y is 2 equals a, that's what I'm looking for. X is 1 minus h, which is 0, squared plus 4. So 2 equals 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 times 1, 1. So a plus 4. We take away 4 from both sides. 2 minus 4 is -2 equals a. So then I can just write the equation. I already know where the vertex is. So it's going to be y equals the value of a is -2. So -2 x minus 0 squared, because the value of h is 0, plus 4, because that is the value of k. So that's going to give me y equals -2. X minus 0 is going to be x squared plus 4. And that is the equation of the line. And the last thing that we're going to be doing tomorrow is we're going to be converting an equation from standard form to vertex form. And we're going to do that by completing the square, which is something we did the class before. So I'm just going to give you one example. Let's say that I have y equals x squared minus 4x plus 6. This is in standard form. I want to write it in vertex form, and I'm going to do so by completing the square. So I'm going to group x squared minus 4x plus 6. Now, remember from last lesson, to complete the square, we're going to take the linear coefficient, which is -4. So the linear coefficient, which is -4, we're going to divide it by 2, and we're going to square it. And then plus 6. And since I want to keep the balance, I'm going to have to subtract whatever I'm adding. So I'm going to subtract -4 over 2 squared. So let's see what we have. So it's going to be y equals x squared minus 4x. -4 over 2 is -2. -2 times -2 is +4. Plus 6. Again, -4 over 2 is -2. -2 times -2 is +4 when I'm subtracting that. Now I know this is a perfect square trinomial, so I'm just going to factor it. X minus 2, I'm sorry, squared. 6 minus 4 is 2. And then that's it. I know I went kind of fast on this one, but it is just a review from the previous lesson. Okay, and that's it.